Today, we will be covering how to do an ERS-L muscle energy technique for the lower thoracic spine. With this technique, the spine will start out stuck extended, rotated left, and side bent left. An outline of this technique is to first palpate the restricted segment, then position the patient to the point of restriction, apply an isometric force in the direction of movement restriction, and have the patient resist. Hold that contraction for approximately 5 seconds, then move the patient to the new point of restriction and continue 3 to 5 times or until the movement of the restricted segment stops improving. Here we can see what moving out of an ERS-L pattern would look like. Then, step 1, we will palpate the restricted segment by placing the middle finger over the spinous process and then an index and ring finger over the transverse processes. Then, for step 2, we will position the patient to the point of restriction. For an ERS-L positional fault, we will start out with an extended side bent and rotated left spine, and then slowly flex, side bend, and rotate the spine right until movement is felt at the restricted joint. This may be a very small movement. Once we have that, we will apply an isometric force, which should be applied in a right side bending rotation direction, and have the patient resist that movement. Finally, after they have relaxed and held the motion for 3 to 5 seconds, we will move the patient to a new point of restriction and repeat the same directions as in step 2. Finally, we will repeat that technique 3 to 5 times or until movement at the restricted segment stops improving.